Hi everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and today we're in Chicago, Illinois. I'm thrilled to be joined by Dr. Kevin Hodges, who is a leading minimally invasive surgeon with a specialty in robotic mitral valve repair at the Northwestern Medicine Bluhm Cardiovascular Institute. Dr. Hodges, it is great to see you again, and thanks for being with me today.
Thanks, Adam.
Yeah, so we're going to answer a patient question that came in for you. This one comes in from John. He asks, what are the criteria for surgeons to use minimally invasive techniques? My wife is very thin. Can the robot be used? Are there other constraints that limit the use of the robot?
Thanks. That's a great question, and I'll start broadly, and then we can talk about the specifics of this gentleman's wife. We want to offer the most minimally invasive option that we can while not compromising on the quality of our operation or the safety of our operation. And so that means we put patients through a couple of preoperative tests. We do a CT scan, we check their coronary arteries, and we do an echocardiogram, and basically make sure that anatomically there's no reason that a robotic operation will be less safe than the conventional approach. And as long as a patient meets a few criteria in terms of their heart function, their valve anatomy, and then their vascular anatomy, we almost always offer a minimally invasive or robotic approach. To the specific question of a very thin body habitus, we see that situation all the time. In fact, we had a case just like that yesterday, and it's generally no problem. It does create some things that we consider in terms of how we position the robotic instruments, but generally not a problem for a robotic approach.
Great. Well, John, I hope that helps you and your wife, and Dr. Hodges, on behalf of John and all the patients at HeartValveSurgery.com, patients all over the world. Thanks for everything you and your team are doing here at Northwestern Medicine in Chicago. Thanks for being with me today.
Thanks, Adam.
Hi, everybody. It's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.